How to make no one can see your hometown informations on Facebook Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to make no one can see your hometown informations on Facebook Lite. First thing, go to Facebook Lite and here just click these three lines in the top corner and go down until you find settings and then click this one here, profile information, and here you will find your hometown. Click on it, click this pen here and then click edit, and now just type your hometown again and select it, and here you will find privacy settings, select only me. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and now see you in the next video.